Okay, go Max.
Hi everyone, I'm Screen Flavor, and today we're gonna find Faith.
Hey, hi. And Hi's looking for you. What? No, don't take it up.
Oh,
What do you mean?
I'm angry.
What? Hey, look over here. What you say? Huh? You angry? Why? Why you angry? Hey, turn around and talk. Faye, let's talk. Faye, let's talk.
Oh,
What?
get in the house.
Why you want to get in the house? We playing hide and seek. With and Hi.
Get in the house.
Why? Look.
Faith, be calm. It's okay. Faith, it's okay to lose. We'll be fine. Faith, don't make that mad face. Just be calm, okay? I'll hide with you, okay? Yeah. Okay, Dave, you count. You're the screen saver.
Okay.
Because Dave is afraid.
Okay. One.
But Dave, when you're done counting, you have to find us in like a mad voice.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm coming. Okay. Yes, I'm hearing you right now. Stop talking. Where they possibly be? I am looking and listening for sound. There's a big bird flying on top. Wow. Big bird flying on top. Wow. 2 or 3 of them. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God. Everywhere. Wow, so many birds, Max. They are flying around. All right, all right. They are circling. They're circling around over there. But I'm back. I will find you. Where are they? Where are you guys hiding? I will find you.
I'm thinking they're gonna fight you.
It's gonna be amazing.
It's fabulous.
Where are they? I'm listening to see if we can hear some noise that they're making. Where are they? Bố với Suk, bố không sao kể chơi mà đâu vậy. Where are they? I'm gonna go over here. See. Wow, look these birds again, man. They're circling around here. It's mating with you. Where are you? He's still over there. Where are you? I hear some noise. I see somebody running. I see somebody running. That's you, Faye. Hey.
It's my turn now.
All right, say bye-bye.
But Daddy, we're still okay.
I know, but I'm just gonna stop videoing. Just say bye-bye.
And what do you do after?
You just continue to play hide and seek, but not with video. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Faye, say bye-bye, Faye.
But Daddy, we're not gonna videotape. We're just gonna.
Yeah, we're just gonna play. Faye, say bye-bye.
Yeah, but Daddy, I'm just gonna tell you something. We're just gonna turn on camera. We're not gonna videotape. We're just gonna take a picture.
Uh-huh.
Like I'm gonna tell you something. Like if you see me hiding here and you see my leg coming out, and you take a picture of it, that means you can find us. Okay?
Okay. Faye, say bye-bye.
Bye bye. I had the shovel.
Yeah, a shovel.
Okay, Daddy. Turn on camera mode.
All right, bye-bye now.
Bye bye.